This is the Ilovbee B75 keyboard, super sturdy, really like it so far. Favorite feature, this rotary dial knob right here, tap to mute, turn to turn on. Heavy duty, like it that compared to some of my other ones, this one just feels so sturdy. And what I love about it, they actually put the USB connector hub right here in the back so you don't lose it. I've lost so many of those. Little flip stands for the legs there. Overall, really like it. Show you guys some of the features, different RGB versions, so you can turn it off to go to the right, go to the left. Adjustable, comes with quite a few accessories, repairing kits, pulling them out, the tweezers, and then also the USB to USB-C charger. The sound on this one is a lot different. It's a lot softer than I find. I enjoy it. It feels very fast. This feels like there's a delay. This one just feels like I'm just skating when I'm playing this one. Really like it so far. Manufacturer reached out, asked if I was interested in doing a review. Absolutely am. Crisp sound of it. A very unique actual spacebar, like it feels like ASMR. That feels like kind of standard, but these, I'll say the best way to put it is I feel really fast when I'm using this keyboard. Like the way it moves, the way it goes, just feels quick. Quality, love it overall. Really glad the manufacturer reached out and sent it to me. Size, weight, and overall build quality are what I love about it. Again, it's probably about, comparing it to my other one, about 4 to 5 inches shorter lengthwise than most. So that was really unique. It feels like I could travel with this, and it's heavy enough to actually sustain some travel with me. I'm rough on gear, so really like that about it. Overall, really glad manufacturer reached out. But yeah, go ahead and check it out. I think it could be a good fit for a lot of people. Again, for me, it feels fast, heavy duty, and the RGB, little simple things that I just like about this keyboard.